Shapes. Shapes have character. So when I used to teach character design to my students in class, we would talk about imagining each shape as a character in their script. What would their shape say about them? And how could you use that information or break the rules of that information in their piece to add to their overall story? So here's the thing, shapes have certain predetermined attributes that we get feelings for even though we don't really think about it. So even if we're not using shapes for character design, knowing what characteristics these shapes have will be beneficial to you when you're creating your artwork. So let's go through those very quickly. Circles. Circles have no edges, no points, no rough edges, which gives them calming, soft, and even friendly protective characteristics. Circles can be symbols of unity, infinity, as well as movement, and you may even combine the elements in your art to create a circular composition, and that would invite your viewers into the feeling of its wholeness. The square. Squares are a combination of horizontal and vertical lines meeting at right angles, which in a way is very similar to the plus sign. I guess similarly, this gives them stable, structural, reliable, and secure characteristics. Squares are hard to push over. Have you ever tried that before? It's hard. And they can be used in your composition as elements, or you may use it as a compositional layout to bring stability within your piece. Yet squares may also be seen as dull, boring, and unimaginative, so be sure that you use squares appropriately within your piece. When the height or width of a square is adjusted to form a rectangle, then that shape may appear more or less stable. Triangle and the golden triangle composition. Triangles are dynamic shapes that have energetic characteristics. Triangular shapes are used to represent motion and direction, yet the lines and angles of triangles can dramatically shift the characteristics from either being stable and unifying to dangerous or off balance. The golden triangle composition utilizes these traits by creating symmetrical triangular compositions that are divided by a diagonal line. Similar to the rule of thirds and the golden spiral, elements or any elements or subjects that you have in your composition will work best when you place them at the intersecting points.